Hi, Jose. Thank you for the opportunity to shoot this custom video for you. I've done quite a bit of research on Zamora and just want to jump right in here and let you know what I found, okay? So let's start with the beginning. So when your future customers are searching for your services, the first thing that's going to pull up is right here. Now, this is called the Google My Business listing or the map pack. Now, we of course want businesses to be in the top 3 spots because that's what's instantly shown when people are searching for a product or service. I did do some digging and I could not find one of these business listings for J Zamora anywhere. And I went through pages and pages and pages and pages. So I don't think that you guys have one. Now, if you did, just kind of an idea, this is what it would look like. This is a local map listing. And yeah, so I didn't see that you have one. So it's really important that you do. Again, this is the first thing that's seen when anyone's searching for your services is looking on Google. So again, that's why it's super crucial to have one of these. Now, the second thing, and probably the most important section of a Google search result, is what's called the organic listings. And that's this, all of this down here. The reason why this is so important is because 9 times out of 10, anyone searching for a product or service is going to go with someone that is on the first page of Google, and then, likely they're going to go with one of these higher ups, but definitely crucial to be on the first page, okay? Now, what I went ahead and did was determine who your number 1 competitor is, and that is Cedar County Landscaping. What I'm going to do next is I pulled up your site and then I pulled up theirs as well. So we're just going to go through really quick and see what they've got going on and what you've got going on. And then I'm going to give you some suggestions on what needs to be done, right? So, we've got your site here. I love the graphic that comes up right away. This is, very crisp, very clear. Love the look of it. As we scroll down, got some information here, a little more about what your services include. So, just incredible work. This is just mind-blowing. That's phenomenal. And then we kind of come to an end. Now, let me explain what Google does. Google's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, Google crawls the internet. What that means is they go through every single site that is on the internet and they're looking for 2 very important things. They're looking, A, for content. Command content is every single word that's on your page. Now, Google wants to see 1,500 words of command content, and what they want to see embedded within that command content are searchable keywords. Now, I did run the numbers on your site just so that I had an idea, and it looks like you guys are at 187 words. So that needs to be brought up drastically with those keywords, and this would definitely help your rankings. And what I mean by rankings is getting you onto the first page in one of these, higher ranking spots. All right, so then here's your competitor site, and I wanted to show you what they've got going on. Now, they've got some good images too. I don't like the logo, to be honest with you. It's not clear. Yours is far better. Anyhow, they've got all of these drop downs for all of their services. This is a well put together site. This is another crucial factor, is having your services listed just below your focal header, and this is your focal header. Because what Google's doing is they're matching the people searching for your services with the content that's on your site, right? Now, again, well put together site. But the fact of the matter is this, I ran their numbers as well, and they've only got 343 words, so they're not beating you by a whole ton. What this also tells me is they're not even 1/4 of the way to where they should be on their command content. So then what this further determines for me is that this site is beatable, with, some key direction and tactics implemented to your site. This site absolutely is, could be knocked out of their ranking. All right, so then what I went ahead and did next was I used my web crawler program. I pulled both your site and then I pulled their site as well. And I just want to show you and explain to you what's going on with either of them, okay? So now the two most important factors here on this program is your UR and your DR. What your UR is your trust factor. What your DR is your power factor. Now it looks like you guys currently are running 25 backlinks. But you've only got 3 organic keywords placed within your content. And so everything as a whole, so the missing GMB, the lack of content and keywords, gives us an overall picture of, overall organic traffic rating of 0 folks a month, okay? So now I want to then go ahead and show you what the competitors got going on. All right, so again, this is their trust factor. This is their power factor. They've got 929 backlinks. Now, what a backlink is a shout out from another website to yours. So another website has a link from their site to yours, and what that does is give you power, number 1, credibility, number 2, and exposure, number 3. It looks like they're incorporating 2,100 organic keywords throughout their content, so that's a really good amount. Now, with everything that they've got going on, so again, one more time, their GMB listing, which is their local map listing, the site content that they have, which is really crucial, aside from that, they've got their 929 backlinks, they've got their 2,100 organic keywords, and what this is doing for them as an entire picture is that they've got an organic traffic rating of 625. What that means is that 625 folks every single month are searching for the exact same services in the exact same areas that your company supplies, and they are getting folks to come to their site, click on their site, retain their services, ask for additional information, whatever the situation is. The bottom line here is that's a lot of traffic. It's a lot of traffic to be missing out on every single month. And, like we just went through, I showed you many areas that can be better than their site, and many, avenues that could boost your ranking of your site tremendously. If this is something that you're looking to pursue, if you're looking to grow and climb the ranks and, with an overall goal of knocking them out of their spot and taking over all this traffic, I would certainly love for you to reach out to me. If this is not something that you're interested in pursuing, no harm, no foul. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch the video, and I hope that the rest of the day is wonderful for you.